It is Wednesday. Starting the morning off with coffee as usual. But today I'm going to show you some dorm room workouts that you could do in your dorm. Or even like in your apartment if you have like small quarters. You know, like prison. From here to here, like the size of this carpet. I'm going to show you what you could do with small space and some easy at-home dorm room workouts. So keep watching if you want to see that. Start off, I'm just tying my shirt. So I just have everything written down in my little notebook. But I'm going to show you, this is maybe one of the hardest tasks or like workouts to do, but it is so effective. I guarantee you will feel this one right now. And reach up with your body. And while you do that, lift up your legs as well. Lean back. And do that 12 times. Next one, Russian twist. Pretty easy to do, but I can demonstrate. I like to keep my legs as still as possible and just move my upper body. Just move that side. And if you have a weight or something heavy in your room, use that. And I go 12 on each side. Next, this one is really good. Just pretend to get crunch, but put your leg up and go opposite arm, opposite leg. And touch your leg, each arm, each hand to your ankle. And if you want to make it more challenging, you could do opposite hand to opposite ankle by moving in between your legs. Keep your waist still and just move your body. 12 on each leg. So now I hear it like moving in my stomach. Okay, next one is a plank. Not just any plank. You're gonna go like this and go up 12 times. the abs, I do 12 reps of them. And I do everything 3 times throughout, but I'm just going to show you once. So you know how to do it, and then you'll learn. You could do it 3 times. Now is butt and legs. Kick. You did everything on one. Now let's do the next leg. Next leg. So I hope you enjoyed. Do legs and butt twice, up to 25 reps each. Abs 3 times of 12 reps each time. Go all throughout. You got it, guys. It's a little hard at first, but it's super fun, super easy, and yet so effective. Some of these ab workouts, if you do them the right way and you push yourself to the extra level, you're gonna see results within the next 2 weeks. And the butt workouts, they're just easy workouts you could do to keep yourself toned and in shape